everyone, I am Gaur Rajkumar Singh Rathod. Welcome to Flair Experts Towards Infinity. And today we have another question from diagonal scale. So the question is, a rectangular plot of land measuring 1.28 hectares is represented on a map by a similar rectangle of 8 square centimeter. So from this line we can get data to calculate the RF. Calculate the RF and draw a diagonal scale to read 1 meter and long enough to measure up to 600 meters. So from this line we can understand that we have to measure up to 600 meters, which is the maximum length to be measured, and we have to show hundreds of meters, tens of meters and meters, because maximum we need to show is 600 meters and the minimum is 1 meter. So we will be showing in hundreds of meters, tens of meters and in meters. So okay, so now we have to convert hectares into centimeter square, and we know 1 hectare is equals to 10,000 meter square and 1 meter square is equals to 10,000 centimeter square. So 1.28 hectares is equals to 1.28 into 10 to the power 4 meter square, and 1.28 10 to the power 4 meter, to convert it into centimeter, again 10 to the power 4 से multiply करेंगे. This is centimeter square. And according to question, 8 centimeter square on map is representing that much area of land area. So 8 centimeter square is representing 1.28 into 10 to the power 8 centimeter square. 1 centimeter square is representing 1.28 into 10 to the power 8 divided by 8 centimeter square. So this is 1 centimeter square representing 16 into 10 to the power 6 centimeter square. Taking root both sides, 1 centimeter is representing 4 into 10 to the power 3, that is 4000 centimeter. Okay, so 1 centimeter of line representing 4000 centimeter of the length on the land. Okay, so from this we can calculate the RF, which is pretty simple. And the RF will be 1 divided by 4000. So the RF is 1 by 4000. Now let us calculate the length of the scale. And length of the scale is RF multiplied by maximum length to be measured. RF is 1 by 4000 and maximum length to be measured is 600 meters. Okay, so we have to convert meters into centimeter, multiplied by 100 centimeter. So length of the scale is 15 centimeter. On calculating this we can get 15 centimeter. So we have length of the scale as 15 centimeter. Now drawing of diagonal scale is pretty simple, as we are doing in previous questions. So you can check them out in my previous videos, how to draw a diagonal scale. So I have showed you how to calculate from the questions, from the given data in the question. Like this is a different question as the previous one. In previous questions we have directly given the data, like how to calculate the RF, etc. And in this question the trick was how to calculate RF or how to get RF from the given area of land or the area. Okay, so next question is, an area of 144 centimeter square on a map represents an area of 36 kilometer on the field. Find RF and draw a diagonal scale to show kilometers, hectometers, which is 1/10 of kilometer, and decameter, which is 1/10 of hectometer, so as to measure up to 10 kilometers. So 144 centimeter square is represented by 36 kilometer square, or 1 centimeter square is represented by 36 divided by 144 kilometer square. Okay, convert kilometer square into centimeter square. Simply 36 into 10 to the power 10 centimeter square divided by 144, 1 centimeter square. Okay, so this is how much? 2.5 into 10 to the power 9. 1 centimeter square is 2.5 into 10 to the power 9 centimeter square. Taking root both sides, we can get 1 centimeter is 50,000 centimeter. So from here we can calculate RF, which is simply 1 by 50,000. Okay, so the RF is 1 by 50,000, and now we have to calculate the length of the scale. And length of the scale is RF multiplied by maximum length to be calculated. Maximum length to be measured. So the RF is 1 by 50,000, and maximum length to be measured is 10 kilometers. Okay, convert kilometer into centimeter, again multiplied by 1000 and multiplied by 100. So this will be 20 centimeter. Okay, so the length of the scale is 20 centimeter. We have length of the scale. Now we can draw diagonal scale as we are drawing in the previous questions. Okay, so the next question is, the area of a field is 50,000 square meter and the length and the breadth of the field on the map is 15 centimeter and 8 centimeter respectively. So in this question they do not have provided us the area on the map. In fact, they have provided the length and the width, using which we can calculate the area. Construct a diagonal scale which can read up to 1 meter. Mark a length of 346 meter on the scale. So again, they do not have provided us the maximum length to be measured. So as we have to show 346 meters, so we can take 400 meters to be measured, maximum length to be measured. Okay, so 50,000 meter is the area of field, is 50,000 square meters, and area of field on map is length into width, which is 15 centimeter multiplied by 8 centimeter, which is 120 centimeter square. Okay, so the area of the field on map is 120 centimeter square. Okay, so 120 centimeter square is representing 50,000 meter square. 1 centimeter square is representing 50,000 divided by 120 meter square, which is 1250. Yeah, 1 centimeter square is representing 1250 by 3 meter square. Okay, we can take root both sides. So 1 centimeter is representing how much? This will be 20.4 meter or 2040 centimeter multiplied by 100. So this is 2040. So 1 centimeter is representing 2040 centimeter. From this we can calculate the RF, which is pretty simple. So the RF is 1 by 2040. Now we can calculate the length of the scale, and length of the scale is RF multiplied by maximum length to be measured. RF is 1 by 2040 and maximum length to be measured, which is not given in the question, but we have to show 346, so we can take maximum length to be measured as 400 meters. Again we have to convert it into centimeter, so this will be 19.6 centimeter. Okay, so the length of the scale is 19.6 centimeter. Now we have to show minimum of 1 meter and maximum of 400 meters. So we will be drawing in hundreds of meters, tens of meters, and in meters. So drawing the diagonal scale is pretty simple, as we have drawn in the previous question. So how to draw a diagonal scale, the basics you can go to my previous videos and check them out from there. Okay, so this is how we can construct a diagonal scale from this type of question in which the area of the field is provided. Okay, so if you like the content, then please click on the like button. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section below. Do share this video to all your colleagues and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.